Okay, so as I try to set up this last shot here, which I hope is the last shot of me cutting anyways, we'll see what happens here. Okay, I got all the way along this side here with the hacksaw. I got punctured through right about here somewhere. Was able to get into it with the hacksaw. I have scored with a new sharp blade all the way on the inside from clear back here, clear to the back, and scored all the way up front. And I was able to use the blade and cut through here. Back here's a little awkward, so I scored along the back edge of that there too. Sorry if you guys can't see that, but I went ahead and I got in between my panel there and scored between those two. So I tested it a minute ago and this piece broke free just fine. This piece right here, it broke free. So I've got it scored. I'm going to give it a push here and we'll see the rest of this will be nice enough to break free. Okay, that's good. Now, just got to get further to the back. I'm hoping the very back of it will snap too, but I'm having difficulties getting in a good position for pressure here. This is not meant for big guys to squeeze in here. Oh. Oh. Ooh, dirt. Last part of my plan is the only piece that's not working here. But you can see we got most of it out now. And oh yeah, she's a little dirty. Not horrible, but if GM's gonna put something in there, give you the cutout for it, why not spend the time to cut the thing out and give people the ability to keep that crap from building up in their AC unit. It's just crazy. Yeah, looks like the whole cavity's there. Isn't that crazy? Well, guys, let me get in here with a blade. See if I can finish trimming this guy out. I don't think I can do it with you on here, so give me a few, I'll be back. Okay, folks, success. Okay, I had to think about it a minute. That thing broke all the way free, except for this last little section on this side. So I got a hacksaw and cut out that last little bit. And when I did that, I pushed it up and the back edge snapped right off. So she's out. And take a look up in there again. A little bit of dirtiness. Not horrible, but had this thing had a cabin filter to begin with, probably wouldn't have been bad at all. Would have just been replacing it like every other person would have, and everything would have been great. We wouldn't have that stuff stuck to and slightly restricting airflow. But at least I don't have all the debris like a lot of people have had. Just regular old dirt, which that causes enough problems anyways. It makes it stink. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up my burrs real quick. Just make sure it's got nothing restricting that filter sliding up into place, and then we'll go to that next shot of installing the cabin filter.